coming down video 4, outside areas. The quotation will be to tile this whole concrete area over here with what we call placas albanías. It's crazy paving, as you would say it in England. Is a suggestion to remove this whole toilet over here and the barn underneath here, room 1, which starts at this point over here, okay, and runs in line with that. So if this was my house, I would remove that as an extension completely. What it creates me, it'll create me a bigger, I have enough balcony patio area out here, out the front. I remove it, I can explain it in an email, I have my reasons for that. Or you can leave it if you want a larger deck. But I think that if that's in line with the terrace step down, that terrace step, you're going to understand now why and what I'm talking about. If I come down to this room here now, which is room 2, which you want to make your workshop, I think when you come here, I don't know your priorities and your criteria for a workshop, but that makes a lovely studio. But maybe you've got enough rooms or whatever not, so let's stick to the plan. That's a workshop. We come down the stairs here, and should this room be removed, we'll just come internal here, we can look at it because the sun is setting. Should that room be removed, then out from this area, which those are my trees and they trim down, I get a fantastic view coming out here. Also what happens, I get a second terraced courtyard, which could be like a garden, coming down these stairs. And if this is removed, I have my garden now, which is extended 3 meters of the building, probably about another 1.5, 2 meters out this way. Okay, sorry, from this point it drops off, okay? So what I create is I create some space, which is a green space, a garden space, a downstairs walking terrace, which is also private from the terraces upstairs. And in my opinion, I'll remove it. One, I don't like the type of construction it's built on. It's going to cause problems in the future. This is something I'll explain on an email. But I also create a lovely big terrace here. Obviously, this will all be cleaned out. And then this room here, which is your workshop. Restoration. The wood is in perfect condition. So we definitely leave the wood. Obviously, the smell, you can smell the cedar. It's a lovely smell. We've got an old oven in here, which is great. The floor would be a concrete floor. Plaster on the walls, a new door and a new window. We've got lovely features in this building. As you can see, this is the old Nerojiti, the old wash basin. They would wash here and the water would go out. So it would be your kitchen, your cooking area, and this is where the people live. This is the original house. And great to restore this property as a workshop, as your recommendation. That's what it'll be priced up as. You'll see the detailed quotes coming out onto a lovely courtyard. And as I suggested, if that whole building moves, and all this greenery is open up, obviously we see my sea views down there, and we create a great area.